Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to find an easy, quick way to strengthen your hands and arms, check this out.
This LOOKEE VibHeal arm exerciser is the coolest thing I have ever found. Not only can you see it working, but it is also the easiest thing you will have to do to add to your routine. My husband and I, we work out a lot. We also have very physical jobs, so very often we live with a lot of aches and pains. This is just such an easy thing to help. You have 5 modes and 15 intensity levels. I usually stick to 4 or 5. You can do this when you just want to relax after a hard physical day of work. You can do this while you're watching TV, relaxing on the couch, studying, reading.
It is rechargeable, so as it's charging, it's going to show this little dancing box, and when it's done, the box is going to go solid.
When you turn it on, it automatically goes to a 15-minute timer, and when that timer is up, it just turns off. It is really easy. You don't have to take a lot of time to do it, and you can just feel and notice the difference. We've only been using it for 2 weeks, and we already see a big difference. My wrist feels so much better. My husband's injury is healing. We really enjoy using it.
And that's my point of view.